Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Carpentersville, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is one in which the original location and destination are more than 100 miles apart, even when they're in the same state. A relocation inside the same state is referred to as an interstate move. You move across state lines to make an interstate move between 2 states. We can drive your belongings locally within the state or interstate at 3 Movers. We are all in good standing with the authorities governing the moving process, both federal and local. We have insurance plans in place because we care about our customers and their property. These insurance plans cover liability risks both before and after the relocation. We have the most dedicated and dependable professional movers and drivers on our team who will relocate your belongings without mishandling them. Don't worry about us overcharging you because all of our long-distance moving costs are affordable. Moving locally is much less expensive than long distance. Our prices are even more reasonable, ranging between $30 and $40 per hour. Our licensed and devoted local movers will make sure that you're satisfied with their service and will listen to your feedback and suggestions. We're used to dealing with major cities and congested areas, so we know how to transport your stuff without causing any problems. Our team of local movers is the best, and we're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to assist you with your moving plans. If you look at our ratings, you'll notice that all of our customers are happy and satisfied with our work. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Carpentersville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.